Dark chocolate for focus, the science behind brain-boosting foods. Have you ever wondered if your favorite indulgence could double as a brain booster? Imagine this, a bite of rich, dark chocolate, not just as a sweet treat, but as a tool to enhance your focus and mental clarity. If you're on a quest for better productivity and cognitive health, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the fascinating science behind dark chocolate and its potential as a brain-boosting food. Watch this video all the way through to get the full understanding of how dark chocolate can boost your brain focus. Before we jump into the science, let's start with some basics. Dark chocolate is made from cacao beans and contains a higher cocoa percentage than milk chocolate. Typically, dark chocolate with a cocoa content of 70% or more is considered the healthiest option. It's richer in beneficial compounds, has less sugar, and is free from milk solids, distinguishing it from other forms of chocolate. For centuries, chocolate has been revered for its health benefits. From ancient civilizations to modern scientific research, there's an enduring belief that cacao is more than just a sweet luxury. It's a functional food. But what exactly makes dark chocolate so special? Let's unravel the mystery. It all comes down to the natural compounds packed inside those dark, velvety squares. The three primary components that make dark chocolate a brain-boosting food are flavonoids, caffeine, and theobromine. Each one plays a unique role in supporting your brain's function. Flavonoids are powerful antioxidants found in dark chocolate. These compounds work wonders for your brain by improving blood flow and reducing inflammation. Better blood flow means improved oxygen and nutrient delivery to brain cells, which can enhance cognitive function. Additionally, flavonoids help protect neurons and promote the formation of new neural connections, contributing to improved memory and learning. Think of them as tiny guardians, working tirelessly to shield your brain from damage while enhancing its performance. Studies have shown that diets rich in flavonoid-containing foods, like dark chocolate, are linked to improved cognitive function and even reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. It's incredible how a single compound can have such a big impact on brain health. Dark chocolate also contains caffeine, a well-known stimulant that enhances alertness and concentration. Although dark chocolate has significantly lower caffeine levels compared to coffee, the amount is just enough to provide a gentle energy boost without causing the jitteriness often associated with high caffeine intake. Caffeine enhances brain activity and helps you focus on tasks by blocking adenosine, a neurotransmitter that makes you feel tired. This means you're more likely to stay sharp and attentive for longer periods after consuming dark chocolate. Theobromine, a compound found almost exclusively in cacao, is the lesser-known sibling of caffeine. While it provides a mild stimulating effect, it's much gentler and longer-lasting. Theobromine works synergistically with caffeine, offering sustained mental energy without the sudden spikes and crashes, like energy drinks, that are overloaded with sugar. This balanced combination of caffeine and theobromine makes dark chocolate an excellent choice for those looking to enhance focus in a calm, controlled manner. The benefits of dark chocolate aren't just anecdotal, they're supported by science. Recent studies have shown that consuming dark chocolate can improve cognitive performance, particularly in tasks that require memory and focus. One study revealed that people who consumed cocoa flavonoids experienced increased blood flow to certain areas of the brain, which significantly enhanced cognitive performance and alertness. Another research study found that regular, moderate consumption of dark chocolate helps improve mental health and reduces cognitive aging. The key takeaway from these studies is clear. A small daily dose of dark chocolate with a high cocoa content can contribute to long-term brain health and short-term cognitive benefits. You might be thinking, how can I fit dark chocolate into my routine without overindulging? The good news is that it doesn't take much. A small serving of dark chocolate, roughly 1 to 2 squares a day, is all you need to experience its benefits. Dark chocolate can be a great pre-work snack, helping you tackle your tasks with enhanced focus. Or you can include it as a midday boost to power through a work project or study session. For those who prefer pairing foods, dark chocolate goes perfectly with nuts, berries, or even a cup of herbal tea. These combinations not only make for delicious snacks, but can also amplify the brain-boosting benefits through complementary nutrients. At this point, it's important to clarify one thing. Not all chocolate is created equal. The cognitive benefits we're discussing apply specifically to dark chocolate, with a cocoa content of at least 70%. Milk chocolate, white chocolate, and chocolate candies contain much less cocoa and far more sugar, which can negate the health benefits. Another misconception is that you can consume large amounts of dark chocolate and expect endless benefits. While dark chocolate is healthy in moderation, overindulging can lead to excess calorie intake and undo some of the positive effects. For those of you who rely heavily on coffee or energy drinks to stay focused, dark chocolate offers a smoother, more balanced alternative. Its compounds provide a focused and alert state without the risk of caffeine jitters or the sugar crash that follows energy drinks. Unlike these high caffeine or high sugar options, dark chocolate delivers mental clarity in a more natural and manageable way, promoting sustained energy and focus. Dark chocolate isn't the only food that supports cognitive function, but it's certainly one of the tastiest. Other brain-friendly foods include nuts, seeds, berries, leafy greens, and fatty fish. These foods offer various nutrients, such as omega-3s, antioxidants, and vitamins, that complement the flavonoids, caffeine, and theobromine in dark chocolate. Incorporating these foods into your diet ensures a well-rounded approach to brain health. A few almonds or cashews with a square of dark chocolate could be the ideal snack for a sharp mind and focused day. As with any food, moderation is essential when it comes to dark chocolate. While its benefits are remarkable, overconsumption can lead to unwanted side effects, such as weight gain or excessive caffeine intake. Stick to small, daily portions to maximize the positives without tipping the balance. Dark chocolate has the potential to transform the way you view indulgence. It's not just a guilty pleasure, it's an empowering, functional food that can support brain health and focus. By swapping sugar-laden snacks for high-quality dark chocolate, you're making a mindful choice that aligns with your health goals. Start experimenting with incorporating dark chocolate into your diet. Choose a brand with minimal added sugar and pure cocoa content, and pay attention to how it enhances your mental clarity and focus. Dark chocolate is more than a delicious treat. It's a scientifically supported brain booster that can improve focus, enhance mood, and sharpen mental clarity. From the flavonoids protecting your neurons to the gentle energy from caffeine and theobromine, every bite is packed with benefits. So whether you're tackling a big project at work, preparing for an exam, or simply striving for a sharper edge in your daily life, dark chocolate might just be your secret ally. Now it's your turn. Try it for yourself. Start small, enjoy it mindfully, and notice the difference it makes. Don't forget to share your experiences or your favorite dark chocolate choices in the comments below. Who knew improving your focus could taste this good? We'll see you in the next video.